All right, guys, so we're coming at you with another RV review. It's so sunny out here. Shelley's got to put her shades on.
I know, I'm happy to have sunshine.
Right.
But here's another rig that we are considering for our full-time living. This is the first time we've been able to put our eyes on it. We've seen the floor plan online, and this unit is...
It's the Grand Design Solitude 370DV. The DV stands for...
Double vanity.
Double vanity.
Which means big bathroom.
Yeah, bathroom rocks in this thing, so.
That's one of the things that I'm looking for. I don't care so much that it's a dual sink. I just want a good sized bathroom. So we will take a look on the outside and then show you the inside.
All right, I'll do the outside. You get the inside.
Tag, you're it.
Tag. All right, let's see what this thing's got to offer on the outside. All right, so let's start with the numbers over here. So the GVWR is 18,000 pounds. The GAWR is 8,000 pounds. And the UVW is 13,288 pounds. So pretty heavy girl.
Could we pull this with our truck?
We could pull this with our truck,
okay.
Yes.
And we have a?
We have a 2021 Ram 3500 single rear wheel with the Cummins diesel, 6.7. So let's check out these pass-throughs real quick. Look at the size of this monster. So it's got the power cord reel inside. Here's all of your leveling system and everything. You can fit a couple chairs in there and maybe a spare bedroom.
Like stick your,
yeah,
get in there.
It's huge.
So they can see. Oh yeah,
all
right. Okay.
She's a big girl. Simple Nautilus water system. Super easy.
Water filter system?
Yep.
Built in?
Yep, it's all built in. Then over here.
Ice maker shut-off valves?
Yeah, there's probably an ice maker in the refrigerator. So you got your furnace and your Furrion tankless hot water tank right here. And you do have a Swintex slide mechanism on your bedroom slide. Not a big fan of Swintex, but this is a small slide, so I think it'll be all right. The others look like they are hydraulic rack and pinions, so that's a good thing. So this unit also comes with the More Ride pin box. It is all solar prepped. If you see under the in that front bay, all hydraulic leveling system and hydraulic on your big slides. Comes with 2 battery boxes. I am assuming these are lead acid, so those have to be swapped out. But your breakers and shutoff and everything are already built in, so you won't have to deal with that. All right, so your propane tanks comes with the standard 30 pounders. You got enough room for 40 pounders in there. Access to your hydraulic stuff. Pass-through's freaking ginormous in here. It does have an onboard vacuum inside. And the tire link system is already built into your tires, so your TPMS is already built in to talk to your truck.
You know what this slides or this pass-through size means?
More chairs.
If you don't behave.
Oh, doghouse. Got to put a sticker, doghouse. There is a spray nozzle over here for the garden hose on the campsite.
Nice.
This is a great idea. I love that. Little power port for your stuff and things. Like I said, this is the 370DV. Got a slide, 2 awnings over here. The speakers are kind of back here, which I think you would camp more probably toward the front. I don't know for sure. So this might not be the greatest place for the speakers, but I don't know. I guess it would depend on how you set everything up. Nice ladder up to the back, frameless windows, and it is pre-wired for a Furrion camera, backup camera. All right, so the ladder capacity is 300 pounds, so I'm solid. Don't have to worry about being overweight. But the distance to the first rung is a bear.
Yeah, you better do some stretches.
There we go. All right, let me have the camera. We'll see what's up top. All right, so up top, you have 2 air conditioners, all of your ports and such. And you have 1 solar panel already mounted up top. Everything you need. You got the WindGuard Air 360 up there. So pretty simple layout. And on the back side of it, you do have your hitch back there for whatever it is that you need to tag along behind you. Pretty nice unit. This one does have the spring-loaded stairs. See how easy those are to pick up?
Oh, wow.
Isn't that nice? Now let go of it.
Look at that.
Let go of it.
Wow.
It'll just stay there.
I'm not locking you in, I promise. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I wish mine had that. Oh, okay.
Come on, Shorty.
I think you need to be a little
I know,
There you go.
That's
And
the
then
problem.
It's got the expandable handrail that comes down too.
Nice. Wow, that's okay. Very
Yeah,
nice.
That's nice.
And it comes with the screen defender.
Yeah, that was an extra we had to put on
that was a
ours.
mod that we put on, yeah. Also has the magnet for the
door. Okay,
That's nice too.
Let's see what the inside's got.
Okay.
All right, so tell me about the inside of the 370DV.
Okay, we're gonna start with the kitchen. So this unit comes with the table and chairs. I like it, I like it. These chairs are really comfortable. It doesn't have like storage underneath. Some of the other ones have in the past. That one does not. The furniture is comfortable and it has the electric recliners. We don't have any power right now, so I can't put my feet up. It appears to be fabric, but just so you know, it's not. It is not fabric. It just has that look. So the good thing about that is it would wipe clean, you know, if you get dirt on it. There's another brand that has a light color furniture, but it is fabric. I'm not going to name any names. And my concern with them is we go camping, we get dirty, we have grandkids. Things happen. So I like that it's light, but yet you can still wipe it off.
Tell me, so we have the cup holders that don't fit any of our cups. Did you notice the cup holders on the edge of the couches?
Well, they're not cup holders.
Right, but it's a nice flat place to set stuff.
Yeah, so it doesn't have, I don't know, I guess those holes look more camper-like and this looks more residential.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
And I like this too. This actually folds out to a bed and it's comfortable. It's pretty high back here. I'm assuming, yep, this slides open for some little extra storage.
There's some USB plugs back there too.
Oh, USB under here, but then 110 outlets here. I love these sconces. They're just, you know, really cute residential. You got your shades here. Oh, they have this one kind of, oh, there we go.
Locked up in there. So the nice blackout shades.
Nice blackout shades here. Now, these window boxes, these are okay. This is better than having what we currently have where it has the curtains kind of like down the side. So I do like this better. Now, I do have a issue with this. I mean, I'm not going to be able to fit. I mean, I'm not going to be able to reach anything.
Yeah, those are super tall too.
But I could get some baskets. They should make baskets that have like handles along the bottom that I could at least grab it, you know, to pull it out. So anyways, you'll just have to get everything there. So that is your dining room and your living room.
There's outlets on the other side of the couch too, so they did not discriminate. Does that other thing slide out?
Oh yeah. Yes, it also slides out.
With USBs in theirs too?
Yep.
Nice.
I don't know what this is.
It looks like your carbon monoxide detector.
Says smart alert.
Yep.
Okay, so then directly across from your little love seat recliner setup is your televator, TV, and your fireplace. So I really like that.
I like the size of the speakers back there behind the TV too.
Now again, because we're not plugged in, I can't put the televator down to show you, but there is a nice window behind here. So, I mean, imagine, well, if that was down, like, can you come over here and just show like a pan of all of these windows? I mean, it's just
so nice,
very nice.
Yeah, it gives it a very open feel, doesn't it?
Very nice. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see why this is on my top 3 of what's going to be our full-time rig. So, okay, back over here. Cabinets, nice cabinets. This, very smart, you know. Okay, so you're not going to be able to reach that, but you have this drawer that slides out, right?
Like a spice rack.
Put all your spices there.
Smart.
Very nice. Again, residential feature, you have a 4-burner stove. Your oven is plenty big enough for a turkey or whatever you want. This is really nice. You have the cabinet with the slide-out drawers. I like that. Coming over here to this side, you have under the sink, plenty of room for a trash can. Drawers, nice soft close on those drawers too.
Those magnets are strong.
Nice, very nice. This has the clean your glasses.
The cups.
Yeah, I don't know how often I would really use this feature. I mean, it looks fancy, but I don't know. So it's like little fountain. You could like use it to like rinse your vegetables or
Okay,
what
but you can
have
take
you.
that out of there, right?
Yeah, I can't.
That's
honestly,
your temperature for the spigot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Nice microwave. It doesn't look like it's a convection microwave. Not a big deal. I mean, really, lots of cabinet space. Lots. Oh, here's your trash can, and it's a double. So you can have recycling too.
Nice.
Very nice. Okay, one problem I have with this refrigerator, again, I'm 5'2", so I cannot reach the top back portion of this refrigerator.
Have to get your step stool out.
But it's nice, large. I like the double drawers here for the freezer.
That's
really
a lot
nice.
of freezer space.
Yeah, that's why I said this is very residential. That's why I'm thinking for full time.
Those dog, they sure
yes.
are. Okay.
And pointing out too, you don't have that little step up for the slides, and no carpet. So
Right.
another bonus. Now we're over here to our pantry.
It's a nice sized pantry.
So come on in here, Michael. Come set up with the travel Wi-Fi.
Nice.
So that's a really nice feature. What I don't know is if there are lights in this. Again, we're not plugged in, so I'm not sure. But that would be an easy fix. You just put up some
the string lights.
lights in there, yeah.
It's your
Storage
breaker box
here.
and fuse box in there.
Breaker box, yep. Nice, a nice coffee bar, bar. Nice little shelf here. Oh, man, the longer we're in here, the more I like it.
Right.
Like, did you show like the lighting?
The lighting on the
Light
ceiling of the
fixtures, yeah.
kitchen. Yeah, that's nice.
When I see fantastic fan, I really like this. And it's not that I don't like it, but it's interesting to me that they chose to use like colored dividers
Oh, at the,
instead of just all white.
right.
But it's definitely very roomy here.
There's your central vac right there by your feet.
Oh yeah, right here. The other one was plugged in, but we can't. You could also use shoe storage down here. We have a coat closet.
Here's all your bells and whistles up here too. Your control panel and everything is in this cabinet. No, it's not. JK.
Just kidding. See, you thought you knew. So what was that?
Another cabinet.
Oh.
There's all the bells and whistles.
And then you got a place for your hats up
And
here.
what's that say?
And
Inverter
gloves.
prep?
Yep. No. Yep. Inverter prep.
Nice.
Okay. So, I'm not going to let you see this yet. Okay. Don't show them this. Go
Nope.
this way.
Okay, no bathroom yet.
Okay.
Shelley, que says so.
All right. It's kind of dark back here. Sorry, because there are no lights. Here's your east to west bed.
King bed.
Yes, I would get this in the queen because I want more room on the sides.
Okay.
But you do still have like a little tiny nightstand. There's a couple
Yeah,
of shelves.
I see them over here on this side. That's not a bad feature.
Both sides have USB and 110.
Nice.
So also pointing out that your vents are not on the floor. They're on the wall. Another nice feature.
Oh, there's drawers under there too.
So you got all that
Nice
storage back there. And then you have this.
Okay.
I don't know, a rifle? I'm not sure. What flat thing is going to go in there? Something. Nice big drawers here. That's really nice. And then there's a TV here. You got another slide out little compartment here.
Nice.
And then nice 6 drawers.
Let's talk about this closet.
Okay, and then coming back to the closet, it is washer dryer prepped.
Nice, nice.
So that's all ready to go. And that's extra storage if you don't want to have a washer and dryer. And then back here, this nice big closet, you got this rail, some
Shelves,
stuff up here.
and more shelves.
More shelves. I mean, yeah. So
Sorry
the
about
shelves are
the-
nice.
Sorry about the dark. Pull that door blah blah blah. Pull that door shut.
Oh,
Okay.
so then you got your full length mirror,
Nice. What else could a girl ask for?
right? Okay, here's what else a girl can ask for. I kind of like that light over there too, as long as that's a blackout shade. I'm sure it is.
I'll bet you it is.
We also have an AC in here.
Mm-hmm.
But this is why I wanted to see this unit to begin with, okay?
Bum bum bum.
Ta-da!
Yeah, huge bathroom.
Yeah, so it's not so much that we necessarily need 2 sinks. I just like to have space to do all my things and put my lotion on and, you know, whatever. So, nice big mirror. We would each have our own separate medicine cabinets. Drawers.
How much space is really underneath those sinks, though?
A lot. I already looked.
Oh, wow.
Full space there.
Look at that.
And then even your linen closet is big, and it's wide enough that you can actually reach it. See? So it's not one of those stupid ones that's so deep you can't, you know, reach
the back of it.
Very nice. The shower has the flip down seat.
Hop up in there.
And it has like all of the
car wash for people.
Yeah, I think you have to get in there because you're the big person. So you do all the pooping positions and...
All right, so plenty of room in the shower, even outside of the bubble. Plenty of room, plenty of room.
Shave your legs.
You got the seat, I can shave my legs. Very nice. The glass doors scare me because I've seen some horror stories about those breaking in transit, but I guess as long as you keep it latched, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Now let's see what we got going on here. Plenty of room. Not hit your elbows. Yep. I don't see...
They don't have the toilet paper
installed. Holder. It would have to be up high because you wouldn't want it down here for the cabinet door to hit. So you'd have to figure that out. Maybe hang it on the ceiling and just let it drape down. Yeah. It'd be perfect.
I do like that it does have these
little towel
hooks already installed, but...
I dig it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
This is in my top 2.
Top 2?
Yeah.
I do like it. What's the sale price?
Let's go outside. It's on the sticker on the door.
Okay.
All right, so I don't know if this is a show price or if this is the everyday price, but they've got it on for $93,597. The MSRP is $124,795 with a savings of $31,000. So this is the 2024 version.
It is cheaper than the Class A we looked at.
It is half the price of the Class A we were looking at.
Except that we also have a truck.
Correct.
That was already paid for.
Right.
Yep, and this is being sold by Lazy Days.
Yep, Lazy Days, RV, somewhere here in Michigan.
Okay, so there you have it. That is the Solitude 370DV.
Yeah, so the DV stands for, it's a darn victory. This is the one we ought to get.
I really, really, really want you guys to put down in the comments if you think this is the rig for us.
I'm thinking this is the rig for us. I don't know about you.
I'm thinking it's the rig for you too.
Yeah,
it's pretty sweet.
This thing's pretty friggin' nice. So if you haven't checked one out, I know you can see the pictures online, but if you can get your eyeballs on one and start pushing and touching stuff, get in and check one out. They're pretty amazing.
If this is your first time here, if you would please consider subscribing, we would really appreciate it.
Yeah, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave us a comment about pretty much anything so we can get to know you guys.
I'm so sorry I cannot see, but keep your adventures going, guys.
See you later.
Bye.